number one party in Springfield. DJ Deal. Yeah, man. Nobody in the party. Yeah, it's supposed to be girls in the party, but nobody here. But I still got support because, you know, it's active entertainment. I have to support. Nobody in this party. God support. Can't be ready to go out. Oh yeah, Jones. Where's that? What is that again, Jones? Niggas said they wanna go home, man, cause the body is lame as fuck. I'm about to just leave. Yeah. The niggas said the party's lame as hell, so they about to leave. Yeah.